Hey there, Alex Kidman here, and the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation have just landed on my review desk, and when I say just landed on my review desk, I really do mean it. I've had these things in my hand for about 2 minutes now, and I thought, hey, why not do an unboxing? Now, if you've watched me do any of these before, you'll know this is absolutely ad hoc, so anything that goes wrong, anything I can't deal with, and you'll get to see and point and laugh if you must. So let's get this underway. Usual story of Apple's little friendly pull tags. I do like the way Apple packs stuff. Makes a big difference. You can get the AirPods Pro 2nd Gen in white, or in a shock move, white. I'm not exactly sure why Apple sticks to this, because it's a colour choice that they used to do, obviously, back when iPods, just iPods, not iPod Touch, but, just iPods, music players were a thing. They were very stylish then, but maybe some red, some blue. Give me some style choices, Apple. Anyway, here we go. Designed by Apple in California. Not built by Apple in California, mind you. And the usual story of little legal documentation and so on and so forth. Not expecting too much there. And then, of course, the actual AirPods Pro themselves in a little plastic wrap. I mean, this all looks very, very familiar if you're used to the existing AirPods Pro. Beneath there, we have a single USB-C to lightning cable, because Apple sticks with lightning for now, although these will actually charge wireless as well, and off a range of more devices. As I understand it, Apple Watch chargers will now work, and a whole bunch of other things will now work. Now, just for the sake of comparison, I actually have the previous gen. These ones are obviously a little bit scratched and disgraceful, and that's also because they've been through a washing machine, amongst other things. So I'll just put those to the side there, and we'll pop these open, because these are meant to have a slightly different design, although, gee, there's not much in that, is there? Because if I pop these open, yeah, side by side, I mean, there are differences. You can see that there are venting differences and things like that, but it's not mega pronounced. It's not a really, really big thing. And, if we pull them out fully, we can have a little look at them here. Hello, we are the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. No, they don't actually talk. But they do make more noises if you lose them now, I'm told. So you can use the whole Find My thing to find individual buds, or the case which has its own speaker. That's kind of neat. Anyway, that's the iPods Pro 2nd Gen. These are the iPods Pro, just for the sake of comparison, these are the iPods Pro 1st Gen. Yeah, there's really not a lot, and you could fairly easily mix those up. I should get to testing these, which is what I'm going to do. Thanks for watching.